Today is Christmas Eve and it's 26 degrees, would you believe it? It's so hot that all I'm doing is jumping out and doing little jobs and then going, oh, I think I'll go back in. But seeing as it's Christmas Eve and the girls are here to help me, today I am going to dig up some potatoes, and I actually just put these potatoes in here. It's a bit of rough ground that's eventually going to become a fruit, a berry kind of cage. Eventually I'll build a cage, and so just to turn it over, I've put in a few potatoes and then I just leave it and the girls mess about with it. I've just weeded it a little tiny bit, but they'll love it once I start trying to get these potatoes up. So they're very shallow because they've not gone in very far, and really all I did was I topped it with a bit of straw, and so we'll see what we get, and the girls are going to help. Let's have a look, see what we've got. So this is hopefully going to have some potatoes with it that we can actually have for Christmas dinner. Okay, not a bad one. These are in early. That one's gone really green, so I'll just throw that on the compost. And we'll just make a start. The girls will love it because that means that they'll be able to get the bugs. But this is just rough ground that has had nothing done with it whatsoever. That's obviously had a good split somewhere, but we'll give it a go. So I'm not expecting heaps, just a few. And it'll be enough because there's only the two of us, and it was really just to help to turn this ground over a bit, just to give it a bit of kind of something. It's interesting that a couple of them have split like that. I'm not 100% sure why, but we'll just go with it and we'll just keep going. Oh, bit of plastic there. Not sure where that's come from. We'll deal with that later. But you can see the kind of straw and grass clippings that I just buried the potatoes in. And if we can just get a few, we will be happy. Some little tiddlers, but I'm not quite sure. That's the seed potato. It's gone all rotten and manky, but that's okay. We'll just have a dig down. A bit of a better one there. And just see if we can get just a few for Christmas dinner. So these were proper seed potatoes, and they were earlies, because if you're in the northern hemisphere now, you'll be like, potatoes? You must be joking. But these are good for us at this time of year, these earlies. We'll get enough for a Christmas lunch. There's a couple of rows. There's another row just in front of the bushes over there. So we'll just take up what we've got and see what there is. Yeah, seed potato. See, it just uses it all up growing the plant. But it's great. Come on, girls, help out. You can guarantee they're never where you think they're going to be. I'll dig up near where you are, so be careful. Don't want to get hit in the face, do you? Hey? Let's see. And they were only covered with 6 inches of soil, if that. So to get anything will be good. Actually, am I digging in the right place? Because there's actually some, it looks like there's a potato plant there. Can't even remember where I planted them. Like I say, it was just really to help break the ground up. And you know when they say like no dig, well sometimes you have to dig, and this is one of them. I know people, I've seen people and they just pull up the plant and all the spuds come with them, but I'm going to have to dig, I think, because it would be a shame to leave quite a few in the ground. And I think I was digging in the wrong place. I actually don't think I was digging at the base of the actual plants, because that's a better set of potato. That's another one that's gone a bit strange. So the compost heap's just behind me, which is great. have a bit of a dig down. And like I say, I'm only really after getting enough for a decent Christmas dinner. Thank you very much. Tomorrow. And we don't tend to have big Christmas dinners. I know, because originally I'm from the UK, where we would have big Christmas dinners. But actually it's so hot here on Christmas Day, which is a shame because we never get snow, that we don't have big dinners. So what I tend to do, my husband's favourite is ham and new potatoes. So that's exactly what we have. We have ham and new potatoes, and I've got some carrots to dig, and we will be happy as. I suspect there's enough there for me and his lordship for Christmas lunch. And what I like to do is dig them every couple of days now, because this will last us a couple of weeks easily, and they store better in the ground than they actually do if I dig them up. Previously, I've dug them up and put them in either a net bag or a cardboard box, and they've just gone mouldy on me, so that's not what we're doing. But thanks to the girls for helping. Good boy. Oh, good boy, Colin. Good boy. Mummy says, throw the toy. Good boy.